after this episode to see how he's doing in his new home, okay? Now I hope he will survive and be fine. That isn't a perfect world, but let's be real here, we're not in too perfect of a world, let's just say. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, tell your friends about my channel. And thank you guys for 800 and close to 900. Please get me to 1,000 and we'll have a giveaway of $25. And if 10 to 15 people sign up as my Fortnite creator code at Fez Fishing, no spaces, just FEZ Fishing, I will do another $25 giveaway, okay? Well, we'll see you guys in the next one, and peace. Update on the bird. We're putting him back in the nest. We found it.